The House Tri-Committee held its fourth hearing on fake news earlier today. During the initial hearing, several social media personalities apologized and admitted spreading disinformation. But the hearing became more intense following a new revelation, as a resource person revealed that former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque was allegedly behind a malicious online video targeting the president. Our Mela Les Moras tells us more.
Former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque really needs to come home. This was the House Makabayan Bloc's assertion after Roque's involvement in yet another controversy. During the House Tri-Committee hearing yesterday, social media influencer Vicente Bencalo Pebbles Cunanan boldly revealed that Roque was allegedly behind a malicious online video targeting President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Although Roque strongly denied the allegations in a statement, claiming it was yet another case of political persecution. However, House Deputy Minority Leader Franz Castro disagrees.
Tingin ko hindi naman yan political persecution kasi kailangan niya talagang harapin yung mga tinatanong sa committee at yung proper venue for that ay dito sa House of Representatives.
For another member of the Makabayan Bloc, Kabataan Party List Representative Raul Manuel said instead of hiding, Roque should just prove his statements.
Di ba yun nga yung sabi nila, we are a sovereign country, paano yung mga issues sa sariling bansa, dapat primary dito sinasettle, di ba? So, yun yung ginagamit nila sa maling paraan para depensahan si Rodrigo Duterte. Kaya yun din yung gusto nating ibalik sa kanya. Ba't siya nagsisik ng protection sa ibang mga bansa? Kung naniniwala siya na gumagana ang justice system dito sa atin at yung mga Pilipino ay pangunahin, dapat managot dito sa ating bansa, then i-prove niya rin yun by going home.
Meanwhile, in a separate statement, House Assistant Majority Leader Jude Asidre emphasized that those who recklessly spread false information in the country must be held accountable. He said this is not about suppression of the freedom of speech, but rather a way to ensure that when we exercise such right, what we say is right and true. From PTV Manila, Mela Les Moras, Balitang Pambansa.